dear students. Good morning, everybody. How are you? You're fine. Very good. Are you ready for class? Did you study our previous class chapters? Okay. Do you remember what we discussed in our previous class? Yes. In our last class, we discussed or we learned proper naming words and also common naming words. Proper naming words are the special names of a people, places, animals and things. Then common naming words are the names of people, general names of people, animals and things and animals and things. Okay. Then did you do your homework? Did you understand what is proper naming words and what is common naming words? Do you understand? Can you find proper naming words and common naming words? Can you find? Okay. Proper naming words always begin with a capital letter. Always begin with a capital letter. So we can find easily proper naming words. Okay. Then all of you take it page number 11. All of you take it page number 11 was complete each one more exercise is there. Which one is like exercise C? Complete each sentence using a common naming word. Complete each sentence using a common naming word to have been done for you. Here some sentences are given there but not completed. We want to complete the sentences with a common naming word, not proper naming word. We want to complete with a common naming word. Okay, are you ready? Okay, first one. Simran and my sister. Simran and my sister are dash. Simranum and sister. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് എന്തൊരു കോമൺ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടും ഫിൽ ചെയ്യാം. One example is given here. Simran and my sister are best friends. Simran and my sister are best friends. എൻ്റെ സിസ്റ്ററും സിമ്രാനും ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആവുന്നു. Okay, then second one, the elephant is a dash. Elephant is a dash. Elephant is a wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Okay, that twos are given there. Okay, then third one, Holi is my Holi. What is Holi? Yes, a festival. Let's write. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is my, it's given in our textbook. Then you want to write only this. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is my favorite festival. Okay? All of you write now. Okay, then the fourth one, Humpty Dumpty Did you hear that rhyme? Humpty Dumpty dash. I think you learned in the UKG class or KG classes. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Did you hear that rhyme? Yes, let's write that. Humpty Dumpty sat were on a wall. Say wall is a common naming word. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. All of you write now itself. All of you write now itself. Please write. Then, did you finish? Third one, Holi is my favorite festival. Then, fourth one, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Okay. Then, fifth one, Abhijit Sharma. Can you read that? Abhijit Sharma. Abhijit Sharma. Any common naming word you can write. Abhijit Sharma is a boy. Abhijit Sharma is my brother. Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Anyone. I write here Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Okay. Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Okay. Then, sixth one. What is the sixth one? Shaima. Shaima is, anyone you can write. Shaima is my sister. I write here. Shaima is my sister. Shaima is my sister. Shaima is a girl. Shaima is my cousin. As you can write as you like. Okay. Did you finish? Shaima is my sister. Did you finish? Okay. Let's read. Let's read. Did you finish? Here favorite festival. Here on a ward. Here a doctor. Here my sister. Okay. Did you finish? Did you write? Okay. Once again, let's read. All of you read with me. Simran, all of you put your finger under the line. Simran and my sister are best friends. Simran and my sister are best friends. Okay. Then the elephant is a wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Did you see elephant? Did you see the elephant? Okay. Where did you see the elephant? Where did you see? Oh, zoo. Then others? May someone can see from their neighborhood. Okay. Holi is my favorite festival. Holi is my favorite festival. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Okay. Then Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Abhijit Sharma is a doctor. Then Shaima is my sister. Shaima is my sister. Okay. Did you finish? Did you write? Okay. Very good. Then let's start our next chapter. Let's start our next chapter. What is our chapter name? The fourth. Can I remove this? Okay. Our fourth chapter is one and many. I think you learned in your KG classes one and many. One and many. One and many. What is one? I think you learn about one and many. Yes. What is this? Chalk. How many these? What is this? Chalk. How many? One. Then now, how many chalks are there? Two. So one or two or more than one. Okay. Naming words can tell us whether a person, a place, an animal or a thing is one or more than one. Naming words tell us. Naming words nammod parayunu. What? Naming words can tell us. Naming words can tell us whether a person, a place, an animal or a thing is one or more than one. Naming words. Now we are discussing about in these chapters about naming words. Naming words. Did you understand naming words? That means naming words. Or naming words. Names. Naming words are the names of people, places, animals and things. Which are the naming words? Names of people, places, animals and things. ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സും നമ്മോട് പറയുന്നു it is one or more than one. നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് ക്യാൻ ടെൽ us. നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് നമ്മളോട് പറയാൻ കഴിയും whether a person, ഒരു പേഴ്സൺ, ഒരു വ്യക്തി, ഒരു പീപ്പിളോ, പേഴ്സൺ, പ്ലേസ് ആൻഡ് ആനിമൽ, തിങ്സ് ഇവയൊക്കെ വൺ ആണോ മോർ ദാൻ വൺ ആണോ എന്ന് പറയാൻ നമ്മൾക്ക് കഴിയും. Okay. Naming words that show only one in number are called singular naming word. Now I write here chalk. Chalk. How many chalk is there? How many chalk? One. How many chalk? One. Then how many chalks? Three. So let's write. We can write chalks. We can write chalks. Chalks. How many chalks are there? Only one? No, more than one. More than one or many. Here I write here chalk. How many chalks? How many chalk? Only one. Here now I write here chalks. How many chalk? Yes, not only one, there are more than one or many chalks are there. Many chalks are here. Okay. Naming words that show one in number are called singular naming word. Naming words കാണിക്കുന്നു. That shows അത് നമുക്ക് കാണിക്കുന്നത് only one number ആണ് എങ്കിൽ, only one ആണെങ്കിൽ അതെന്തായിരിക്കും? സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്. നമ്പർ വൺ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് only one ആണെങ്കിൽ, നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് കാണിക്കുന്നത് one ആണെങ്കിൽ സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്. ആൻഡ് മെനി മോർ ദാൻ വൺ ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? let's look what is that. Naming words that show one in number are called singular naming words. All of you look at your textbook at page number 12. All of you look at your textbook at page number 12. Can you see there are some pictures? What is the first picture? B-A-G. Bag. How many bags are there? One. Second one, can you read? Basket. What is the second one? Basket. Then what is the third one? Cup. How many cup? One. Then parrot. Parrot, how many? One. Okay, these are the singular naming words. These are the singular naming word. One. Only one. That naming word shows only number one. Okay. Then naming words that show more than one in number are called plural naming words. Naming words ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that are called plural naming words. More than one, plural naming words. You must learn the terms of the naming words. അതായത് ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്ന നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു common naming words and proper naming words. Here we are studying naming words, plural naming words and singular naming words. Naming words that show only one number, that is called singular naming word. Singular naming word. സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആൻഡ് പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ടേംസുകൾ നെയിംസുകൾ ഓരോന്നിനും പറയുന്ന ടേംസുകൾ നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കൽ നിർബന്ധമാണ് കേട്ടോ. അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡിൻ്റെ ഗ്രാമറിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷനാണിത് സെക്കൻഡിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷനാണ് തേർഡിൽ. ഫോർത്തിലൊക്കെ ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തതിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂഷനാണ് ഹയർ ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. സോ യു മസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റഡി ദ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് ദ you must study the grammar terms. Okay, here naming words that tell us or that shows only one, that naming words are called singular naming word. Singular naming word. Singular naming word. Okay, then next one, naming words that shows many or more than one, that called plural naming words. What is that? Plural naming words. Plural naming words. All of you say with me. Singular word, singular naming words and plural naming words. Singular means one. Singular means one. Plural means one or more than one. ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുള്ളതൊക്കെ എന്താണ് പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സും only one ആണെങ്കിൽ സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ, listen, look at your textbook. Then the second pictures in the first column, BAGS. Can you read? Yes, bags. How many bags? Yes, there are 2 bags. So bags is the plural naming word. So bags is plural naming word. Then second one, baskets. How many baskets are there? Yes, there are 3. There are 3. Then cups. CUPS, cups. Yes, how many cups are there? 4. Then parrots. How many parrots are there? Yes, there are 5, more than one or many parrots. So these are the plural naming words. Singular means one, plural means many, many or more than one. Only ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതലുള്ളത്. Okay, understand? Can you follow me? Okay, if you have any doubt, please contact me or please inform me. Okay, how do we make singular naming words plural? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആക്കുക? How do we make singular naming words plural? How? Yes, you know that very well. You know very well. What is that? Add yes. Add yes. Most naming words can be made plural by adding s or es. ഒരുപാട് ഏകദേശം വേർഡ്സുകളൊക്കെ എന്താണ്, കൂടുതൽ വേർഡ്സുകളും അതിൻ്റെ സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിങ് വേർഡിനെ പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിങ് വേർഡൊക്കെ എന്താണ്, ആഡ് യെസ് ഓർ ഇ എസ്, എസ്സോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇ എസ്സോ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ ഒരു നെയിമിങ് വേർഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എസ്സോ ഇ എസ്സോ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ അതെന്താവും, പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിങ് വേർഡ്സ്. വാട്ട്സ് ദാറ്റ്? പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിങ് വേർഡ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, let's read some examples. Some examples are given in our textbook. Okay, first word. What is the first word? Banana. What is the first word? Banana. What is the plural form of banana? Bananas. Add yes. Okay, desk. What is the plural form of the desk? Is desk. Add only yes, ഒരു എസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി. desks. huts. Add only yes. Then next column, benches. This is not a bench. Bench means we are using that for sitting. Okay, this is here bunch means കൂട്ടം. Okay, next foxes. Tomatoes. Okay, then now let's discuss where we use es. സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ പ്ലൂറൽ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആക്കാൻ ഒന്നുകിൽ യെസ് അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇ എസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ പ്ലൂറൽ ആക്കാൻ ഒന്നുകിൽ എസ് അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇ എസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എവിടെയൊക്കെയാണ് ഇ എസ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് നമുക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ടുഡേയ്സ് ക്ലാസ്. Let's wind up our class. In this class, we discuss about one and many. Okay. When the naming word that show one in number are called singular naming word. Only one number ആണെങ്കിലും ഒരു നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് നമുക്ക് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ വൺ ഉള്ളെങ്കിൽ എന്താവുള്ള എസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, ഇ എസ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല അല്ലേ. ഓൺലി വൺ ആണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇഫ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ മോർ ദാൻ വൺ ഓർ മെനി, ദാറ്റ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് ആർ ദ plural naming words. Two types of naming words, one and many. One is called singular naming word. What is that? If it is only one, that is singular naming word. What is that? Singular naming word. If it is more than one or many, that is plural naming words. What is that? Plural naming words. Okay, did you understand today's class? Okay, if you have any doubt, please inform me or please contact me. Okay, then all of you read your textbook very well. Don't forget to read the textbook. Don't forget, you must read your grammar textbook very well and study very well and make the understand. Okay, see you next class. Thank you.